Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and artistic, and it is very unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, creative and stylish designer style easy to make one hand embroidery based, that is Kutch work, sindhi embroidery design ideas. All of these designs are totally based on single motif designs. These could be used as a hand embroidery motif, or this heavy motif could be used as an all over embroidery pattern as well. So if you are in search of very beautiful heavy all over sindhi work, sindhi embroidery, Kutch work embroidery pattern, or you are in search of some sort of very beautiful and creative, artistic, stylish motif design ideas, then friends, this video collection is absolutely for you. And if you want to decorate them, if you want to enhance the beauty, then you can use mirrors, and beautiful combination of mirror works or some embellishment of beads work could also enhance the beauty as well. So these are just my suggestions and ideas. In my previous videos I have shared very beautiful Kutch work embroidery designs along with mirror work as well. So now I am showing you peacock designs. Peacock designs are absolutely favorable, and they are almost from the beginning of time in demand. They look very creative and artistic. You can make them onto your sari blouse, onto your shirts, kurti, kameez, neckline, onto your baby girl frocks. Even you can make these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your hand knitted stuff like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, neck warmers, head warmers and shawls as well. And you can decorate your dupattas by making these very beautiful patterns, your saris, your gowns, maxis, kalidar frock, and many more creative artistic home decor items like cushion covers, pillow covers and many more. So stay blessed and thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care.